Hey guys, welcome back to Fix Genius. In this video, I am going to show you 7 powerful Chrome hacks, and trust me, 2 or 3 of them are going to be real game changers. We all have the habit of ignoring small tricks, but today I will break them down for you in a super simple way. So sit back, relax and watch this video without skipping. Let's get started. If you are working on Chrome and accidentally closed an important tab, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus T and the close tab will come right back. On Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus T. As you can see there, it's work like magic. When you are working with multiple tabs, some tabs like Gmail or ones you open frequently, right click on that tab and select Pin. It will shrink and stay fixed to the left so you can easily access it without searching every time. If you are working with multiple tabs and from the same website or company, you can group them together for better organization. Just right-click a tab and select Add to New Group. Give the group a name and choose a color to keep it visually distinct. You can then add other related tabs to the same group easily. It keeps your browsing neat and efficient even while multitasking. If your system starts lagging with many open tabs, press Shift plus Escape to open Chrome's built-in task manager. Here you can see which tabs or extensions are using most memory. Just select the heavy ones and end them. Your browser will instantly become faster and smoother. Chrome's default dark mode does not work on all websites. To fix this, head to the Chrome Web Store and install Dark Reader extension. Just pin it and activate it. Once activated, any website you visit will switch to dark mode. Here you can see, which is super helpful for working at night and reducing eye strain. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Picture-in-Picture extension and pin it to Chrome. Now, whenever you are watching a video on YouTube, you can click the extension and float the video in a small window. You can work in other tabs while watching. Even you can minimize the tab. You can work on other softwares while watching. You can also resize or move the video anywhere on the screen. When scrolling through a long page is laggy or rough, you can enable smooth scrolling from Chrome's hidden settings. Just go to Chrome address bar and type this. Search for smooth scrolling and enable it. And restart the Chrome. Once it's on, you will experience smooth scrolling across all websites. And that's it. These 7 Chrome hacks can really boost your browsing experience on Chrome and make browsing fun again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Fix Genius. Also, let me know in the comments which Chrome hack did you like the most. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.